The Flexis team from Vossloh on night shift in Hamburg. The rail infrastructure here at the city's central station has to withstand some of the heaviest traffic in all of northern Germany. DB Netz is therefore looking for ways of keeping wear and tear on points and level crossings to a minimum. In 5 night shifts, the Vossloh specialists have processed several crossing frogs, switchblades and stock rails, 2 crossings and a complete set of points. Only 3.5 hours of working time were available per night. But the rapid on-railing and off-railing of the Flexis machines enabled optimal use to be made of the short time available. Regular grinding significantly reduces wear and tear on the parts of the points and crossings that are subject to extreme strain. This ensures a longer service life, a higher level of availability, fewer closures due to construction work, and ultimately greater economic efficiency, all of which are sound arguments for using Flexis.